it will be look like this when it's finished. Now just grab the item and open up. Yeah, you can see it's increasing. So now I'm going to show you how you build this. And what item you need is redstone repeater, redstone comparator, dropper, hopper, and lava and chest. That's what you need. So now go down here and back there. Here. So I'm just going to go up. Yeah. So now you're going to make this, that, and put a redstone repeater there, and put a comparator, and you should turn it on. And put a redstone here.